Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to watch US Netflix in another country. If you've ever traveled or lived outside the United States and noticed that your Netflix library is different, I'll show you how to access the US Netflix catalog using a simple method. All you need is a VPN, and I'll guide you step by step on how to do it. Make sure to check the link in the description to create an account with NordVPN. First, let's understand why this happens. Netflix offers different content libraries depending on your location because of licensing agreements. The US Netflix library is one of the largest and has exclusive shows and movies that may not be available in other regions. By using a VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network, you can change your virtual location and unlock the US Netflix library. For this tutorial, I'll use NordVPN. It's fast, secure, and reliable for streaming. If you don't already have NordVPN, go to the link in the description to sign up and download the app. Once you've installed NordVPN, open the app on your device. You'll see an interface with a map and a list of servers. Search for the United States in the server list or directly click on the map to select a US server. Once you've chosen a server, click the Connect button. It only takes a few seconds for the VPN to connect. When you see the confirmation that you're connected, this means your internet traffic is now routed through a server in the United States. Now that the VPN is connected, go to the Netflix website or open the Netflix app. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, refresh the page or restart the app to ensure the changes take effect. You'll notice that the content has changed and you now have access to the US Netflix library. You can search for shows and movies that are exclusive to the United States and start watching them right away. The streaming quality remains high, and NordVPN ensures a stable connection to prevent buffering. If for some reason the content doesn't appear or you face an error, disconnect from the server and reconnect to another US server. Sometimes switching servers can help resolve minor issues. This method works on computers, smartphones, tablets, and even smart TVs. If you're using a computer, open the NordVPN app, connect to a US server, and then launch the Netflix app. The same steps apply, and you'll have access to US Netflix on the go. To ensure a seamless experience, I recommend keeping NordVPN connected while you're streaming. If you're done watching and want to return to your local library, simply disconnect the VPN, and your Netflix account will automatically switch back to your home country's content. That's it. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get NordVPN.